Yes.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, we can check it parallelly. So your brain also will easily align it. The next one, workloads. In the starting dates itself, I ask you to read the workloads. What's my deployment?
Hard.
What is mean by deployment config? What is mean by replica set? What is mean by replica controller? What is mean by daemon set? Daemon set. What's mean by pod? What's mean by job? Like that, these all structures will become over, including horizontal pod auto scaling. Okay. And have you gone through that one? Have you got a chances to all those things? Just here, one or two interview questions will be there. Don't put more attention here. Just one or two interview questions. What question will be there in sense? Difference between deployment config and deployment. Have you noted down? Don't blame me in the interview. You have to prepare this definition and all. Don't expect me. So differentiate between, I already discussed also. Okay, this is for automate purpose and this is for manual kind of. I don't want to take more time. If I take spend time here, I'm not able to deliver most of the match areas. So just take note
So
of it.
differentiate between DC means
Deployment config,
and D means.
deployment,
Oh,
deployment config, and deployment. So you should be a little bit aware of it. What is the difference of that one? Next one, they will ask you replica set and replica controller. Replica, REPLICA, replica set and replica controller. Compulsory questions. Out of 10 questions, 2 to 3 questions, 2 interviews, you can expect this both. Deployment config and deployment, replica set and replica controller, like that. And they can ask you as well what's horizontal pod auto scaling and vertical pod auto scaling. Horizontal pod auto scaling and vertical pod auto scaling. So please go through that. Okay. And if you while going through the networking itself, your mind, have you noted down? Shall I move to the network?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Forward that into you guys. Okay, let's see here. So this one is clear. So I clear the screen to know it's done. Okay, next one, we have to know about networking. While seeing networking itself, your mind will talk about what are things, the four things are there.
Edge.
Huh?
Cluster IP.
No. What and all inside the networking?
Service. Route, sir.
Service is one, route is one,
Route.
ingress is one.
And ingress.
What's another one?
No.
Four points are there. Route, ingress, service,
Policy.
network policy.
Network policies.
So your mind will automatically will goes like this. If your mind will go like this, you are already in the picture. If again your mind will go to what are different types of services. Again your mind have to go to what are different types of route. Again any ingress or any other points. Again how you can implement the network policies. So this mind, if you talk about means, you can easy to clear the interview. What are different types of services? Now what is
Cluster
Cluster
IP.
IP. Node port.
cluster IP, node port, external name,
Load balance.
Load balancer, sir.
What's the different types of route? Edge,
Edge pass-through re-encryption.
re-encryption. Edge, pass-through, re-encryption. Edge, pass-through, re-encryption. Are you noting down or already noted? So ingress to handle the incoming traffic. So specifically we have ingress controller. Interview, you can expect what is ingress controller. Out of 10 interviews, 1 or 2 interviews, they will ask you ingress controller. And how you can implement the network policy. What command you can use it? Can you tell me what command to apply the network policy? How you can create it? I shown the YAML file. Ajit Kumar, motorcycle specialist. API
API, kind,
version, kind, metadata,
metadata,
and
label.
specification. So here we have to apply the network policies. What's the kind name here? Network policy. So before you going for interview, take some bit paper and do you know yellow sticky note? Yellow sticky note தெரியுமா? Yellow sticky
Yes,
note.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Go to the fancy store, okay, or bookstall. You can get the yellow sticky note, and you can take the marker. Okay, not erasable marker. Not, and it's not like erasable. It's not erasable marker. You take that and write what are the few points you may supposed to forget. So compulsory, you have to write the day-to-day activities. So what and all in the bit paper should be there. So if example the laptop is here like that, side of your laptop some bit paper should be there. One, please make note down. I want you need to place it. நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. Placementன்றது we need to crack. It's kind of a skill. It's kind of a skill. So I will teach you the skill. So this is your laptop. This is your laptop, right? See, this is some of sticky notes. Some of the sticky notes you need to. I know some students in the Bangalore, and even they are right like this, and they can got the offer also. And most of students I recommend like this because for first 5 to 6 interviews, you may get fear, and your words can be stuck somewhere. You're not able to deliver properly, like a water, like how the waterfall will be there. The flow of the content will not become like that. Okay, so what I'm saying here, you should have some bit paper. The bit paper, you have to write the first you have to priority give to day-to-day activities. What is that? Day-to-day
Day-to-day activities.
எழுதிக்கிறியா வசந்த்? இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு பிட்
Yes,
பேப்பர்
sir.
எழுதி கையில் வச்சிடணும். சரியா? ஓகே.
Yes, sir.
நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒரு சாம்பிள் YAML ஃபைல் டெம்ப்ளேட் இருக்கணும். சாம்பிள் YAML ஃபைல். In example, take network policy. Network policy is sample YAML file. You need to write it here. What's the first one? What is the first one? You need to take the bit paper.
Day-to-day activities.
Day-to-day activities. And this is your YAML file or template or சும்மா dummy. Okay, அது என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாம்னா you can take some deployment based. Deployment YAML file இருக்கணும். Mostly they can ask you write some deployment YAML file. Note down. Are you noting down, guys?
Yes, sir.
No other professor will teach you like this.
Yes,
Why
sir.
I'm teaching you? You want to get place. Okay, it is
So,
E1.
like, how they will ask, sir? Like, sample YAML file deployment, you
Sample
can
YAML,
write.
how they will ask you, I will tell you. This is your laptop. First, they can talk about the day-to-day activities. Okay. So if you deliver the date, maybe if you stuck, you have to point like that 1, 2, 3, and one more paper 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay, you can write it. If example, just are you only keyword enough? If you're able to frame the sentence, you just make only the keyword.
Sir, could you
Okay.
please tell some day-to-day activities to the
Uh,
bank?
Yes, sir.
But-
Like,
I given okay. If you ask me, means what?
because regular, that is mandatory question, right? So
That's mandatory question, no doubt.
yeah.
First question.
So I
First
think
question
there
only
should
that
be
one.
no to.
First question they will ask you about day-to-day activities in sense what you have to give. Example.
List any 5 or 6. That's I think.
Okay. First, don't say it's the health of the ensure the health of the cluster. Ensure the health of the cluster. Okay. Second point. Cluster troubleshooting. Okay, cluster level troubleshooting. Then they'll again ask you what kind of troubleshooting that you can take care. Okay, that is LED concept. Okay. Next one, monitoring. You can talk about monitoring. You can talk about deployment.
What
You can
monitoring,
talk.
sir?
Huh?
என்ன
Monitoring, you can talk about what is that? You can talk Dynatrace. You can take Dynatrace. And just know what is Dynatrace before going for interview. Just
sir,
monitoring.
what about, can we say about service now, sir? Like service now.
Your wish, your wish. I'm not stopping you. I'm not stopping only to Dynatrace. Number of operators are there. I'm just saying that my even Prometheus, Grafana, anything. Just go through some entry questions based on this specifically. Okay, deployment. Okay, then they will talk about what you did activities. Mm, mm, Spin up CI/CD pipeline that won't come here. Okay.
Pod
Uh,
and master troubleshooting.
Node level. That's what coming right.
That's already
Cluster
covered in
level
point
troubleshooting.
2.
Cluster level troubleshooting.
Okay, okay, sir.
Monitoring, deployment, and what we
The
can do for
CI/CD
that.
pipeline, they will not ask question.
No, 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 no. You don't give the word like that. Okay, CI/CD pipeline and all. Then again they can go for out of your knowledge. Then you're not able to clear it. That's what problem happening for you. Don't give.
They will ask DevOps, sir. Again, if we say CI/CD pipeline, they will move into
Then
DevOps.
again they keep on asking the questions. It is uncontrollable. Okay, like yesterday, Vasant is asked only. Vasant is around this topic. Then they are asked around this question only. Otherwise, if we go out of that, then they can blame you. The job description and you are not matching like that. Okay, so be careful about your what is your day-to-day activities. If your day-to-day activities staying the CI/CD pipeline, oh, this guy do know the CI/CD pipeline. Ah, wow. So okay, come on, let's see. We can discuss. Then he can challenge. He think like he's a genius. We are like a layman, and he ask the questions, sort of the questions like that. Okay. On fantastic operator troubleshooting. Operator troubleshooting. Okay, security updates compulsory. If you said the word security updates, the next question what you done, be aware of it. Whatever questions you are saying like a day-to-day activities, you should have prepared at least 2 point, my dear friends, my dear students. Okay, please, 2 points. ChatGPT is readily available. Whatever thing are available, you can discuss there also. Okay, I can give some time back. I given for one student. Just be in line. I just share with you as well now itself. Let's see. That's helpful for you or not, I don't know. It will helpful you. No worries. But one guy who got placed right. One guy who got recently placed right. So for him only I shared this project and how to write for hiring manager like that and all. 1, 2. Can I check your WhatsApp group? Yeah, right. Hello.
Yes, sir.
இல்லை எல்லாமே இருக்குமா என்னென்ன இருக்குன்னா it will have all things are available. How to the resume, right? What you can talk. The experience. I post technical skills in authentication, authorization of HT password identity provider, troubleshooting cluster and application. Second, just check the second one. I can give multiple points for you. I am experienced in high level resolving technical issues, enterprise customers using like GitHub, students, something more you can add it. It's up to you. and you can, this is also picked from ChatGPT only. Okay, I just given some keywords, based on that I can got it. ஓகேவா? ஸோ அதை கொஞ்சம் பாருங்க, ஜஸ்ட் ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல் ஃபார் யூ. உங்களோட பிட் பேப்பர் என்னென்ன இருக்கணும்? வாட்ஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன்?
YAML file.
No.
So day-to-day activities.
Day-to-day activities.
Day-to-day activities.
Day-to-day ரெடியாக வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஒரு YAML டெம்ப்ளேட் வச்சுக்கோங்க. Keep it. Another one, compulsory operators. உங்களுக்கு if you feel like that you are forget the operators, secret types, route types, service types மட்டும் என்னென்ன டைப்ஸ்லாம் இருக்கும், and user managementல okay, then this thing, then what you can forget.
Challenges you are facing. What challenges you are facing?
Cluster upgrade.
Upgrade day-to-day activities ప్రకారం.
Tell me more. So what's the day-to-day? Hello. Who has discussed with me?
Yeah. So he's asking what challenge you have faced. They will ask this question.
Challenges you can, I said right, mostly while during the upgrade, the cluster will stuck. That's challenges. Okay. Otherwise, I can do one thing. If you want challenges means I have to write it down and I have to give, because I have to share my real-time experience. Because ChatGPT or other things won't give the right answer. It can give a lot of things. I can give the real time at least three types of challenges. Okay, that you can, but that is not needed for bit paper and all. That is not needed bit paper. So what you going to forget? What problem you can supposed to face? Those things you can take use of it. Okay. I can going to discuss now how to deploy. Okay. One Jenkins installation பண்ணி பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா? Have you know how to do the installation of Jenkins?
Yes, sir. Yes. Hello. Sir,
Have you done in the OpenShift?
yes, sir. I done.
Good. I showed you right in starting days. Even I can show you now. I take one of the clusters.
You told at the end of the course, you tell to me how to convert the project into image. Image source to image. How you can convert? Sir?
Tell me more.
How you can convert the source to image, sir? Source code.
Source to image, you just go to here, go to the build, and we have the build config and how you can create it as well. And another one, you can go to the development portion, developer, and here also you can have the build and you can create your build config. Okay, but you need to pause your YAML file. Let's see if you take the YAML file, you can see the YAML file and what kind of example. This is for StackRox namespace. Okay, and if you want I2 image, that separate command is there. Okay, that is for developer portion only, it will come. Even I can show you what command we can use it for that. Okay, this is what I'm user means. This is for my StackRox or HACS. Okay, I just installed it. I'm just ensuring that one. This is all a different case. We go to another area. All projects. Okay. Go to administrators. And again here. Okay, let's see here. How to deploy your Jenkins application. Most of the interviews. See guys, the as per the DO 280, the syllabus is already completed. But this is only I'm just covering last 3 days, yesterday and today or maybe tomorrow. I'm just covering only for your interview perspective. So what and all queries are there, what and all there we are discussing. Okay, this also is not there. Okay, separately OpenShift CI/CD pipeline department is there. They only going to deliver it. But I'm just giving you this portion. If you are a developer, what is supposed to do? Create some project. I just make it a Jenkins and create. Get a Jenkins here, and you have to see all the services. I need to start build my application. Add project. Project is already added. So I'm going to click create button. I'm going to create one Jenkins. The Jenkins is the integration tool, CI/CD pipeline. எதுக்காக யூஸ் பண்றோம்? It will create it use it to create a CI/CD pipeline. It looks like this. You can see that Jenkins now easily can be installed, and you can get it from here as. So just click this button. Very simple job. I just installed using Helm chart only. Maybe you observed or not, I don't know. But I use the Helm chart Elementron is a package manager. If you go for like Kubernetes and other cases, it's a big deal to do the deployment. Okay, but here it's a matter of fact. Okay, you can deploy it easily. Just understand it. Click login with OpenShift. So we need to give the privileges. Let's see here, ma. You can see this is your Jenkins, how it looks. And what you're supposed to do here, go to the new item. Okay, go to the new item and you can create any kind of project from here. Okay, any kind of project from here. Click the freestyle project, right? We can take the freestyle project example. This is a test project. I am inside the Jenkins, take the freestyle and click OK. So build the project, Maven, pipeline, folder, like multiple things are available in this. You can select whatever it needs for you. So this is how it looks. I just make it as a test. And if you have the GitHub repository, your developer has given it, you can paste it here. Example, this is I have one Spring Boot, SPRING Spring Boot. Okay. I can go for the repositories and I'm looking for Spring Boot web project. Click this one. This is what I'm talking about, Spring Boot. Okay, let example, you can take this, developer has given this one, developer has given, and go to here, and you can paste where you are. Please enter the Git, and if you have the credential, you can add it. But right now, we're not going to add anything. Let's save it as. Okay, this is one method. And even if you want to create multiple deployments, you can able to create it. They're going to create another deployment. So this is a Jenkins integration, how the things are working here. I just make it a test demo. Please type record. I'm going to run just 2 commands inside my server. So what the command means, you can check execute shell. Okay. One is the top command, lscp. Okay. Go to configure. Go to the lscpu, save. We already done it. So we need to build this one. We need to build this. We go to build now. This will build and it will show the log 0. You can see this failed here. It has been failed. You can check the logs why it has been failed. Okay, top command is failed to execute. So we can remove the top command and again you can run the test demo. Go to here, configure. Go to that and remove the top command. Just give a very simple command, lscpu. You can give all those commands, but you should have some proper script and all. Now we can build now. You can see we got an output. It's working. This is how it looks. So where's your output? You can go to here and you can see your output. So you got the output successfully like this. Or even you can run the Spring Boot. You have to go for the Maven project. That's a different case. I'm not teaching you to learn the Jenkins. I'm here teaching you to how to do the deployment and how to install that one. Okay, so you can run the images. I used one of the image only and I created here like this. Okay, and this is a Jenkins. Through the Jenkins only most of the integration, okay, and deployments will happen. You can see the deployment config. Here it has installation deployment config. And I just use the Helm chart, Helm release details. Okay, this is what I can use it here. So, so tomorrow you guys go through the console again. Okay, and I think so. Won't all just open your WhatsApp group. Please give your what are not received the Google Drive now itself. Just open everyone. One all received. What all done.
Sir,